Hi, this is the Motorola Razr for the Ultra, and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher. Then tap to OK twice and click to go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we could see that the process is finished, and let's here check the new keyboard look, and we could see that the keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe our channel.